Good morning, children. We are going to do today a new topic, gender. Gender has four kinds, or you can understand like this. Gender has four children. Gender has four children. The first child is masculine gender. Masculine gender. Masculine gender is male. Male. मेल पर्सन. ओके, मेल कौन होते हैं? हु आर मेल्स? बॉय, अंकल, फादर, they are male person. So we say masculine gender. Next child is feminine gender. Feminine gender. Feminine genders are females. Females like girl, woman, mother, grandmother, aunt. Okay. Now third is neuter gender. Neuter gender means non-living things like pen, bag, table, bed, quilt, fan, window. All non-living things are called neuter gender. Okay. The fourth one is common gender. Means the noun through which we doesn't come to know whether we are talking about male or female. Means that person, that noun is can be male also, can be female also. Like I say teacher. Teacher can be sir also or ma'am also. If I say doctor, doctor can be male person also, man also, or women also. If I talk about child, child means bacha. That child can be a girl also or boy also. If I say cook, khana banane wala, that person cook can be male also, female also. Okay, children. So common, in common gender, those noun comes which can be male also or female also. Okay. Now, first is masculine gender. Now, we will write the nouns which comes in masculine gender. Boy, man, father, brother, grandfather, uncle, and many more. Okay, etc. Many more. Now comes feminine gender. Feminine gender can be girl. Feminine gender is girl, woman, mother, grandmother, sister, aunt, and many more. Okay. Neuter gender, which has no life, without life, non-living thing. We can say fan, bed, bag, pen, mat, box, many more. Okay. Common gender through which we do not know we are talking about whom, or which can be both male also, female also. Teacher, teacher can be sir also and ma'am also. Child can be girl also, boy also. Doctor can be woman doctor also, man doctor also. Police can be women also and man also. And cook and many more. Okay. So children, this is gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender, common gender. Okay, now I will give you one copy work that you have to do in the copy. Okay, write the opposite gender. This work I am going to give you. You have to write gender, write the opposite gender: masculine gender, feminine gender, one side masculine gender, opposite side feminine gender. That you have to do this exercise, and in the next class I will give you more exercises regarding this topic. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye.